A surprise cancer diagnosis and a bill for the emergency room visit. We're not talking about the United States. A Richmond man has been searching for answers after discovering he doesn't have health care coverage. CTV's Penny Dafloss started looking into his case and has the story.
An ambulance took Andy to Richmond Hospital after he kept fainting at work a few weeks ago, where he got a shocking diagnosis.
I have lung cancer, a type of lung cancer that goes in your lymph nodes.
He's asked us not to use his full name out of fear it could impact his situation. Before he left the ER, he was asked for his MSP number and things went sideways.
It was accusational.
Because staff told him he wasn't covered and owed $3,700 for the visit.
Said, well, you'll just have to pay for it today. And I hadn't been to a doctor in over 40 years. And I started crying when she said that.
They had no explanation for why he'd been dropped.
Andy has faced housing challenges, and an MSP staffer suggested his address was wrong, but that still left Andy and his sister baffled. BC eliminated MSP premiums in 2020, and Andy has a personal health ID he used without issue for COVID vaccinations.
He never goes to the doctor. He's never sick, so he just assumed everything's good. You know, how would you know? I don't know how you would know. It's a hard way to find out.
They were told he'd have to apply like newcomers and wait the standard 3 months for coverage. CTV News has been trying to sort out the issue with the Ministry of Health over 2 days and asked for an interview with the minister, who faced heavy fire in the legislature.
The reality is far from a rosy picture he's trying to paint.
Our healthcare system's in crisis. We're concerned every time that someone has challenges in facing the healthcare system.
Despite facing bills for his treatment, Andy has nothing but praise for those caring for him.
Overwhelmingly beautiful. Every other doctor and nurse I've spoken to, it's just been amazing. And I'm feeling in great spirits.
Andy and his sister have spent weeks trying to get answers. Hours after we interviewed them, the Ministry of Health told CTV News Andy has been approved for retroactive coverage, and they're not sure what went wrong. Anyone unsure of their coverage should check with Health Insurance BC. Penny Dafloss, CTV News, Vancouver.